Learn English fast with fun, simple, powerful daily practice today. Want to remember vocabulary faster and speak confidently every day. Improve listening, pronunciation, and speaking skills in one simple method. Train your brain naturally like native speakers use English daily. No stress, no pressure. Just easy and effective English learning. Speak English clearly with real conversations and useful daily situations. Build confidence step by step with simple, repeatable speaking patterns. Listen carefully, understand meaning, and respond like real conversations. Practice every day and feel your English improving very quickly. Your fluency journey starts here with this powerful training video. Are you ready to unlock your English speaking power today? Let's start now and speak English naturally like a native. I am going somewhere today.
What is this? It's an
She is eating an apple. She is eating an apple. She is eating an apple. He is reading a book.
Let's learn a new word.
He is reading a book. He is reading a book.
This is a lion de la con sư tử. It is strong and brave, nó mạnh mẽ và dũng cảm. It has a big mane, nó có bầm lớn.
We are watching a movie.
Lion roars loudly, sư tử gầm rất thú.
We are watching a movie.
Trong tự nhiên, it is the king of animals.
We are watching a movie.
What is this? Đây là gì? It's a lion. Đây là con sư tử. Say lion again. Nói lại lion.
The cat is sleeping now.
Lion. Great job. Giỏi lắm.
The cat is sleeping now. The cat is sleeping now.
Xin chào, xin chào. Let's learn a new word today.
A dog is barking loudly.
Học từ mới nha. Monkey, monkey, con khỉ.
A dog is barking loudly.
Đây là con khỉ. It can climb trees. Nó có thể leo
A dog
cây.
is barking loudly.
Bananas nó thích ăn chuối.
I am drinking some water.
Monkey, monkey, monkey. It jumps and swings. Nó
I am
về
drinking
đủ
some
cả.
water.
It is funny and smart. Nó vui nhộn và thông minh.
I am drinking some water.
Trong rừng. What is this? Đây là gì? It's a monkey.
She is cooking dinner tonight.
Say monkey again. Nói lại monkey nào. Monkey.
She is cooking dinner tonight.
Great job. Giỏi lắm.
She is cooking dinner tonight. He is driving a car.
Hello, hello, xin chào, xin chào.
He is driving a car.
Today. Hôm nay học từ mới.
He is driving a car.
Bear con gấu. This is a bear, đây là con gấu.
The baby is crying loudly.
Và khoe, it is thick fur, nó có bộ lông dày.
The baby is crying loudly.
Bear, it likes to eat honey, nó thích ăn mật ong.
The baby is crying loudly.
Nó sống trong rừng, it can run very fast, nó có thể chạy rất nhanh.
Birds are flying in sky.
It's a bear, đây là con gấu. Say bear again.
Birds are flying in sky.
Bear, bear. Great job.
Birds are flying in sky.
Hello, hello, xin chào, xin chào. Let's learn a new word today. Hôm nay chúng ta học từ mới nhé. Are you ready?
I am learning English today.
Sẵn sàng chưa? Cùng nói nhé. Cow, cow.
I am learning English today.
Cow, đây là con bò. It is black and
I am
white,
learning
con
English
và
today.
trắng. It is big and gentle, nó thô và hiền lành. Cow, 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 cow. The cow says
She is writing a letter.
it eats grass every day. Nó
She is writing a letter.
gives us fresh milk, nó cho chúng ta sữa tươi. What is this?
She is writing a letter.
It's a cow. Đây là con bò. Say cow again. Nói lại cow nào. Cow, cow. Great
He is
job.
opening the door.
Hello, xin chào, xin chào. Let's learn a new word today.
He is opening the door.
Học từ mới nhé. Clap your hands and say it loud.
He is opening the door.
Tay và nói thật thú nào. Pig, pig con heo. This is a big day là
We are
con
cleaning
heo.
the
It is
house.
pink and nâu màu hồng và tròn. It likes to roll in the mud. Nó thích lăn trong bùn.
We are cleaning the house.
Pig, 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 pig. The pig says oink oink. Con heo kêu
We are
oink,
cleaning
oink.
the
It
house.
lives on a farm. No summer trang trại. It likes to eat a lot. Nó thích ăn rất nhiều. What is this?
The sun is shining
It's
bright.
a pig. Đây là con heo. Say pig again. Nói
The
lại
sun
pig
is shining
nào.
bright.
Pig, pig. Great job. Giỏi
The
lắm.
sun is shining Kids bright. are playing with toys.
Hello, hello. Xin chào, xin chào.
Kids are playing with toys.
A new word today.
I am wearing a jacket with toys.
Chúng ta học từ mới nhé. Smile and say it with
I am
me.
wearing a jacket.
Và nói cùng cô nhé.
I am wearing a jacket.
Con kêu.
She is buying fresh vegetables.
It has soft white wool. Nó có bộ lông trắng mềm.
She is buying fresh vegetables.
It is fluffy and cute. Nó
She is
xinh
buying
và
fresh
dễ
vegetables.
thương. Ship, ship,
They are playing in park.
ship, ship. The ship says
They are playing in
ba ba.
park.
Con cừu kêu ba ba. It eats grass in
They
the
are
field.
playing in
Nó
park.
có trên đồng. It lives on a farm. Nó sống ở trang trại.
Buổi học hôm nay chúng ta tạm ngưng ở đây. Phụ huynh nhớ đăng ký kênh, like video để khỏi lạc mất nhau khi ra video mới nhé. Buổi học tiếp theo sẽ diễn ra vào lúc 20 giờ Việt Nam. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại tối mai nha.